Before I had the chance to paint them, I had never encountered agapanthus flowers. To be honest, I didn't even know the stages of their growth. However, my camera became an invaluable tool, allowing me to take photos to use as references for my paintings. Since the 90s, I've been taking my own photos, freeing me from relying on others. Here's the story of how my curiosity about cameras began. I always wanted a camera to capture my favorite subjects and finished paintings. In the 90s, cameras were expensive, and as a college student, I had to figure things out on my own since I didn't study art formally. As a self-taught artist, I enjoyed the freedom to experiment with new techniques in my work. Before college, I spent countless hours honing my drawing skills. Being self-taught, I envisioned using a camera in the future to photograph my finished drawings, saving money on hiring a photographer. This determination fueled my desire to own a camera. One Sunday afternoon, I walked to the Kodak photo center from my college apartment with the goal of getting some photos developed. While there, I noticed a woman having her passport photo taken. A sudden idea struck me. What if I brought my portrait drawings to this photo center to be photographed? I gathered the courage to ask the front desk manager if he could do it. Initially puzzled, he eventually agreed. I thanked him and left, promising to return with my drawing. A week later, I collected the developed photo and film, thrilled with the result. From that moment on, I was determined to own a camera. After graduating college, I got my first job in Shah Alam. With high rent and living expenses, saving money was challenging, but I eventually saved enough to buy my dream camera. I remember looking at camera prices in shop windows, dreaming of the day I could afford one. Years of saving finally paid off, and I was incredibly grateful. Since then, I've photographed not only my finished paintings, but also my subjects, including people for portrait work. My photography skills improved with experience, and today I take all my photos personally. Owning a camera allows me to capture floral subjects in their various stages, from bud to early bloom to full bloom, and even the leaves. For instance, I knew nothing about agapanthus flowers before, but now I feel intimately familiar with them. Whenever I see them in someone's yard, I can confidently identify them because I have painted them. Loving flowers is one thing, but truly knowing them is another. Flowers bring smiles and, most importantly, inner peace to those who behold them.